So I should have started this sooner, but I just wanted to get it done. So what I'm doing now is removing the engine. But first, have to remove the intake manifold, get to the wiring, disconnect everything, put that in the corner, label everything. Intercooler piping comes off. Once it's time to put this back together, I'm going to take a proper video and you guys see how I fit this EG33 in there. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to take it apart now, but stay tuned for the reinstallation. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so engine is apart, all set, ready to be set to phase 2. Look how dirty that thing is. That's what it looks like after engine been sitting for 6 to 7 years and not running. And then I got it, and chitty chitty bang bang. Hey guys. Now what you see here is my engine completely apart. This is all the bolts, my connecting rods, 6 of them, pistons, 6 of them, and my case half split in half with my, let's see if I can get this thing to focus, with my crankshaft here. So what's next in the works is getting everything prep for well, I won't say what's happening after because that's kind of a surprise, but this is basically what's going on. Well, my pistons have seen better days, but I'm gonna keep those because I have something else in the works again. But anyway, so this is what's going on, and I'm excited to get cracking on this. I think I might actually go and put on a hot tank and clean her up a bit. But anyway, this is what's cracking, and yeah. Anyway, let's move up and move out. So what we see here are my EG33 heads, and I will be removing the valve cover so I can get them so I can get these guys powder coated tomorrow. I'm taking it with me to Winnipeg to get powder coated, as well as my strut tower bar, my tumblers, my turbo housing, and my intake manifold. I don't know where that is right now, but oh, it's back there behind the sandblaster. Alright, so with these I'm gonna take the heads off, take the valve cover off, remove the springs and retainers so I can strip everything right down to nothing. So I just have the block, and I'm going to take them in. This can get powder coated, but the rest of the heads are going to be cleaned. Have to remove the head studs and just going to go from there. But yep, so that's what's cracking now, and I'm just going to knock these out. Let's go. Let's get this this cleaned and in the hot tank. Boom, bye bye. Look at my heads, guys. I got head for days. Alright guys, so that stuff came from the machine. My heads. Look how clean those suckers were. Let me just bring it up a little bit. This one. Look how clean those got. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's just soak in there for a little bit until I ready to go home tonight, and she's good to go. Golden. Alright, so these here, yeah, I'm done with that. So these here is all the stuff getting. Alright. So these are all my stuff here getting powder coated. This is my alternator bracket, my tensioner bracket, my strut tower bracket, intake manifold, coolant lines, coolant crossover, valve cover. So she's in for some work, I tell you. She's in for some work. Put this over here. So I'm going to take a picture of all of this stuff so I know exactly what's going to get work done. So when I come back to pick up the stuff, I know where goes what, how, why, who, and where, etc. Anyway, she's done. All right.